In today's video, I'm going to show you Krunia 9.26 Wireless Portable CarPlay Screen for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto review. Is it worth it? The Krunia 9.26 Wireless Portable CarPlay Screen is a standalone infotainment upgrade designed to add wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to vehicles that didn't come with it from the factory. The 9.26-inch IPS touchscreen boasts a 1600 by 600 resolution and 550 CD per m squared brightness, which gives vibrant colors and clarity close to a small tablet, much better than many basic external displays. It also supports voice control, Bluetooth 5, backup camera input, OTA, over-the-air firmware updates, multiple audio output modes, Bluetooth, FIM, aux, and steering wheel control integration for smoother everyday use. Users who have actually installed this device generally report quick, simple setup. Plug it into your car's 12V outlet, mount it on the dash, and sync with your phone via wireless CarPlay or Android Auto within a few seconds. Many owners praise the responsive touchscreen, reliable navigation with Apple Maps or Google Maps or Waze, and crisp media playback once connected. That said, it isn't a perfect OEM level system. A few users mention glare under direct sunlight that can make the screen harder to read in bright conditions, and the mounting stability isn't as secure on rough roads as a built-in head unit. Wireless connectivity, while usually smooth, can occasionally drop or lag when switching between apps or phones. Online seller feedback suggests overall satisfaction is high, with many buyers giving strong ratings and positive comments about reliability and ease of use. Verdict: the Krunia 9.26-inch screen is worth considering if you want a budget-friendly way to add wireless CarPlay or Android Auto and a larger touchscreen to an older car without replacing the whole stereo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.